Okay, we are back into my redstone testing world with all of my crazy redstone contraptions that I've been working on lately. And now I just want to ask you guys a question. Are you enjoying these redstone tutorials? I picked up on the redstone pretty soon. I've not been doing it for a lot, so I'm making these simple tutorials. So you can write down in the comments below. But anyways, let's get on with today's tutorial. As you can see, previously on our tutorials, we made a flush piston door, which is completely flush with our wall, which means that there are no indents, there are no visible pistons when you extend it. But as you can see, if we place our lever here, it closes perfectly. Today we're going to be making something considerably simpler. We're going to be making a pressure plate door. So if I place the blocks in, we can walk through like this, walk like that, and walk like this. Super simple, just a bit of redstone and some torch towers powering these sticky pistons. But let's get on with the tutorial. So I'm just gonna go over here. What you want to do is place let's get a pressure plate, and let's place our blocks like this. I'm just using iron blocks once again. Our sticky pistons. And then what you want to do is actually remove the pressure plates and dig down 2 blocks like this until you reach the end of the sticky pistons like this, where there's a gap. And then you want to break 1 block. Do the same thing for the other side like this. You just break the blocks like that. So now we have a 2D pole going to the back of our sticky pistons where we can make our redstone. So now let's place our blocks, place our pressure plates, and let's start making the redstone. Right under these pressure plates, you want to place redstone dust, so when we step on the pressure plate, it gets activated, of course. And we bring the redstone dust all the way till this redstone torch, which I'll just get from my inventory. I need that. Okay. Redstone torch with a block over here and a piece of redstone dust, and we do the exact same thing on the other side. So we bring up redstone to this block, redstone dust, block, and redstone dust. So now, believe it or not, that's off. That's the first part done. Now, to connect it up so that you actually have a way of getting back, you break 2 blocks, break these blocks, and as you can see, we can just connect up our redstone like this. Replace the blocks and get our pressure plate, and boom, we are in and out of our pressure plate door. Super fancy. You can use this in your base. And now you guys may be wondering, well, how does this work? So basically what's happening is these pressure plates are activating this redstone line, which is going into these redstone torches. And as you can see, when I step on this pressure plate, the redstone torch, if I can try and find one, hold on, let me just do this. The redstone torches actually deactivate. As you can see, they're no longer powered. Regular torches like this, but this is actually deactivated. That happens because this redstone line is going over here, inverting the signal. So this redstone is powering these sticky pistons, so when we step on this, it deactivates that, which also retracts the pistons with it. Super simple.